In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, occupational and trigger-happy Indian troops opened indiscriminate fire at the worshippers when they were offering Zohar prayer at a Jamia Masjid in Handwara town today, injuring several of them. Locals said that the Indian army personnel forcibly entered the mosque and started videographing the people who were praying there. They added that once some of the people objected to the action, the troops fired indiscriminately, causing injuries to several persons. People staged a forceful demonstration in the area against the troops' action. Indian police resorted to tear gas shelling to disperse the protesters. Meanwhile, India's dreaded National Investigation Agency, along with Indian paramilitary and police personnel, carried out raids at multiple locations in Srinagar, Budgam and other areas of the Kashmir Valley today. During the raids, the NIA sleuths and Indian Forces personnel took away mobile phones, laptops and other gadgets besides harassing the inmates. According to a report, Indian troops in the unabated acts of state terrorism have martyred over 566 Kashmiris since revocation of the special status of the occupied territory by Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government on August 5, 2019. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, the martyred also included 13 women. Senior APSC leader Muhammad Ashraf Sehrai was subjected to custodial killing, and the veteran Hurriyat leader Sayyid Ali Gilani died while remaining under house detention for more than a decade. The report maintained that at least 2,240 people were critically injured due to the use of brute force by Indian forces on peaceful protesters in the occupied territory. It said that the killings by the troops rendered 36 women widowed and 85 children orphaned during the period. The report refuted the claim of India's Minister of State for Home Affairs Nityanand Rai, who yesterday informed Indian Upper House Rajya Sabha that 87 civilians were killed since August 2019 in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In India, members of DigiPub, a union of digital media outlet, in a press conference at Press Club of India in New Delhi, condemned attacks on journalists at a Hindu Mahapanchayat and demanded of the Indian government to take action against the culprits. A Hindutva mob assaulted a group of journalists, including 4 Muslims, who had gone to the venue of the Mahapanchayat in New Delhi, in Delhi's Burari area, to cover the event. Prominent Chinese intellectual Zhang Shizong has said that the international community must pay close attention to the worrying level of Islamophobia in India and take resolute measures to stop the Indian authorities from committing systematic human rights violations against minorities, particularly Muslims.